When my parents built a new house at Srinagar, they also planted saplings of various fruit trees along the boundaries of its compound. They had hoped that sometime in the future, our children, grandchildren and we all would reap its fruit. The fruit we reaped instead are years of continued exile from our own home because we believed India is our country. I am going back to my home in Kashmir after 11 years. I want to find out if it is possible to break the walls of mistrust and of hate we built in a once beautiful valley. That was Kashmir. At first sight, the view of the valley of Kashmir conveys an impression of normalcy and peace, but that impression is soon shattered by a sudden burst of gunfire. My confrontation with fear has started from the exact moment when I stepped into the valley. My first stop is the office where my father worked before he was asked to pack up and leave. Mr. Sophie, my father's old colleague, has been our only contact with Kashmir since we left. I check into a hotel. On the first night of my arrival, I learned that there has been another minority massacre a few days back. JKLF was the militant organization which first started the killings way back in 1989. Kashmiri Pandits had not known fear and betrayal till then.
10 साल पहले आप कहाँ थे? हम 10 साल पहले कश्मीर में यही थे। अच्छा 10 साल पहले यहाँ से था? नहीं। हाँ? 10 साल पहले? 10 साल पहले? मतलब 10 साल पहले यहाँ कैसे हालात? नहीं बार-बार आप पूछ रहे इस बात को। मुझे ख्याल है। नहीं 10 साल पहले कुछ मसला है। चुना दावर प्रोन के है के भाई और 10 साल पहले तो आप कहाँ हैं?
अभी आपको आना नहीं चाहिए था. You should have waited.
The Sikh friend of mine does not want to meet me. 5 of his neighbors have been killed a few days back, and he is afraid.
नहीं फिर देखते हैं. One has to take a risk.
I had to take a risk to really understand and face up to fear. The fear and apprehension I feel for my unit, my Sikh friend, and for myself now is the same kind of fear that drove us out then. It is this fear that had kept me away so long. I am back to unravel the sinister workings of fear that drove us out. I do not know what exactly I'll be looking for or what I'll find. At an unearthly hour, I lined up at the local newspaper office to dig up the genesis of that fear. Namtuka? Namtuka story never. तुम how could I say? I'm trying to actually look for the papers which tell us something about those days, in 89 and 90 when the movement started. This is only one among thousands of such appeals that used to appear in papers every day in the initial years of militancy. Not all Kashmiris supported the freedom fighters then, but they really had no choice but to obey, since even the elected government of the day had already capitulated.
और हमसे खुश नहीं है वो मुजाहिद भाइयों से गलत इतला फराहम करते हैं हम इस मामले में इंसाफ और मुदाखलत चाहते हैं रमज़ान नमक
क्या कार्टून क्या
शहर में मजबूत और हालात पुरसुकून अलबत्ता ताहम मगर लेकिन
The incident of the Rubiya Sayyid kidnapping was the crucial turning point in the brief and bloody chapter of local militancy. ये क्या हेडलाइन है
वज़ीर दाखिला की बेटी को यरगमालियों से छुड़ाने की कोशिश तेज जम्मू कश्मीर में 5 महबूस नौजवान की रिहाई
The capitulation of the state authority legitimized the power of the gun. Soon afterwards, the intimidation and threats to Pandits started. Though JKLF, the most prominent militant organization then, has now given up the gun in favor of diplomatic solution, they admit that before they took up the gun, they were political non-entities.
आज आप मेरे सामने बैठे हैं, जब हमने कुर्बानी दी, जब हमारा खून गिरा, जब हम 88 से पहले जेलों में होते थे, कोई चपरासी भी हमारे पास नहीं आता था, कोई पूछने नहीं आता था।
Today, they also fight for the protection of the minorities in Kashmir.
What is the problem with the government of India? There are massacres, these minority massacres. Militants are condemning, security forces are condemning, then who has done it?
लेकिन शुरू में तो सिलेक्टिव किलिंग जो हुई वो JKLF ने स्टार्ट की।
देखिए एक बात बताऊंगा मैं, वो तो हम ये ओन करते हैं थोड़ी सी,
मानते हैं लश्कोल,
हाँ वो तो उसमें तो केस हमारे लड़के अभी भी बांधे जेल में,
और उसी वजह से कश्मीर में डर के भागे थे।
देखिए हम ये
जगमोहन का इसमें बहुत कम हाथ है।
जब मूवमेंट शुरू हो जाती है किसी जगह तो ब्लंडर भी, गलतियां भी, इंसान तो फरिश्ता नहीं है, गलतियां भी होती, मगर समझने में इंसान को थोड़ा टाइम लगता है।
11 years later, they now think it was a mistake to have killed and driven out the Pandits.
The photograph of the migration of Pandits means date क्या शायद?
September number.
I still have my cousin's family in Srinagar. They are among the very few Pandits who did not leave.
So as a kid, I used to love these things, curfew, hartal, and because you had a holiday from school and used to play or enjoy or play cards and other things. But yeah, I do one thing. What was the most commonest dialogue of our Kashmiri Pandits those days? Say someone was killed, and शाम को सभी मोहल्ले वाले क्या हमारा सोचो मैं क्या करूँ? And every day we used to have एक ट्रक दो ट्रक निकलती थी.
I'm back on the street I used to walk without fear once. Rahman, the owner of the street corner shop, is perhaps the only person who may be able to confirm the fact that I belong here.
मीर साहब,
But maybe not.
otherwise बस ठीक।
ठीक यहाँ कैसे आए?
मैं घर देखने आया था।
किस घर का?
अपना घर।
Before I could reach the street corner, I was met by our next door neighbor, Mr. Mir.
नहीं पहचानेंगे तो कुछ यादें होती है ना, मीन्स पुरानी, जैसे ये घर।
Mr. Mir's daughter Shaheen, who used to be so shy then, is now mother of a 10-year-old daughter. Her daughter, very unlike her mother then, is not shy at all.
आपका नाम क्या? आपने नाम बोला ही नहीं अपना।
मदिया। आपका नाम?
किस क्लास में पढ़ती हैं?
मैं फर्स्ट में पढ़ती हूँ। आपका नाम क्या है?
किस स्कूल में पढ़ती हैं?
प्रेजेंटेशन कॉन्वेंट स्कूल।
प्रेजेंटेशन।
आपका नाम क्या है? बॉम्बे में या मुंबई में?
बॉम्बे में।
किन मुंबई में?
मुंबई में। हम उस घर में रहते थे जो सामने घर है ना।
किन मुंबई में? कौन सा?
जो पीछे घर है, जो टूटा हुआ घर है।
I was just happy to be with the children of my old neighborhood. For a moment, my fear vanished. I regretted being away so long. I thought about my nephew and niece who were born here, but were too small then to remember anything. Perhaps Madhya could have been my niece's best friend.
Rahman şahit roza. Roznatas be? Madasmas.
At this very street corner one cold winter morning in 1989, 6 unsuspecting Indian Air Force Jawans were killed by the JKLF militants.
रहमान जी है जी, मुझे लपड़ियो।
चुप लाकोटे। मगर शक्ल से नहीं ना।
अच्छा आप कहाँ की रहने वाली हैं? जी मैं।
The people in my colony were glad to see me, as were all others I had met earlier. But I am sad to say, it did not appear to me that any of them really regretted the events of those days when we were forced out. Perhaps what had happened to us was so long ago, and they had continued to suffer.
मतलब सजी परानस लागू तुम द टाइम पढ़ाई मस खारिज करी सो क्या करी तो
I was not sure if any of my classmates from school would still be in Kashmir.
तजमुल है? मैं अजय रैना बोल रहा हूँ।
Last time I had met Tajmul was in 1985.
आपने पहचाना मुझे?
I'm trying to place you, I don't know.
बिस्को स्कूल?
हाँ
कैसे हो?
हाँ Oh yeah, I was trying to, my father told me I was trying to recollect. I thought it should be you. When you came, you could have given me a call earlier. You could have stayed with us.
Next time when I come, I'll stay with you.
Yeah, definitely. So can we meet? I don't know. Can we meet tomorrow? आज तो हड़ताल है ना?
आज हड़ताल है, कल बताओ. And how about Ajaz and Salim?
Ajaz is in Saudi now.
Ajaz is in Saudi.
Ajaz is in Saudi Arabia.
And Salim?
Salim is here.
Yeah, those days were great days. Satalos master. Muslim का plastic sulfur.
My cousin passed out from the same school 10 years later. He told me about a classmate of his who was a member of a dreaded militant organization.
In my classroom, so this man came, all Pandits left, इसके ज़रात में वहाँ पे बेंच था, वो अलग सा हुआ था. I took the bench, hit on his head and ran away from the school. Next day I came, and this man is with gun in one hand and grenade in another.
स्कूल में?
What are you saying? What did you do last year? And the bandage on his hand. So I said, I don't care. I will shoot you. I don't know how strength came to my mind. I just holded his hand. I said, come on, shoot. What you can do. I don't know what happened to him, that he got some fear that this man is not going to listen like this. And then he said, oh, you are my friend, you are my brother. First even, in fact, then he died after a month or so in an encounter in Delgate. And his obituary was read and made by me only in the school.
I was on emergency duty one day. It was a Monday. Monday was our emergency duty. We had 2 more postgraduates. Of course, there was Dr. Naveen Saraf. The scare was so much. They told me just we're going to cook food for our dinner and we'll come back. Just sit there in the casualty, take care of the casualty for half an hour. I have not seen them after that. They just pushed out.
There was a scare, particularly among doctors, because of the fact that the militants were using hospitals as hideouts.
And an army personnel was, CRPF personnel was brought to the hospital. He was quite old. All the staff of the hospital, they ran away. And he was the only person, he has operated upon that person single-handedly, and that person was like begging, please save me, I have got 4 daughters. He saved him, and next day what he had to do was that he had to leave Born and Joy, and he's now in Jammu.
You can't forget things like that.
हिंदुस्तान के हिस्ट्री प्रेस वक्त तो बटन प्रेस वक्त
1948 में लाल चौक से मैं पंडित नेहरू ने
खुदारियत का वादा दिया किया.
Akhtar Muhyiddin is my favorite Kashmiri writer. I'd met him on my last visit to Kashmir in 1989. I'd wanted his permission for a short story which I thought could be my first feature film.
Ashiyad, in साथ ऐसे चला हूँ कुछ कश्मीर मूवमेंट, तब पता नेहरू युवा, बटे गई, को हलाक कर तमिस खिलाफ डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन समोसाजी, महाराज वो शवाना हिंदुराज, अर्चना हिंदुराज हमारा ही, मुझे ची फ्रीली चला हूँ गोली, इसे खबरी उस मर्द मुसलमानी में.
बोतल चखना?
हाँ?
बोतल चखना?
बता दो खोज आंदर में.
Your good name, please. देश के लिए सब कुछ अपना धर्म.
हुआ क्या था यहाँ पे? स्टार्ट कैसे हुआ?
स्टार्ट कल हैगामा में कुछ फायरिंग हो गई थी, तो वहाँ पर कुछ किलिंग्स हो गई थी. इसी सिलसिले में आज डिमॉन्स्ट्रेशन हो रही है.
कितने? क्या गो? एक मर गया. कहाँ पे? अंदर?
टेलीफोन से
आपको कैसे पता चला?
टेलीफोन से भी खबर आई, सीआईडी वालों को पता है.
I was suddenly in the middle of a riot, and that too for the first time in my life.
और र्यूमर से बड़ जबरदस्त चला इम करन इनको इस्तेमाल हुई. लिहाजा please see whether there is something, and if it is really there, take it into control.
But I was particularly struck by the casualness with which the policemen and the media were doing their job. I was the only greenhorn here, and perhaps I was treading on a thin line. I was thrown out for trying to shoot a few JKRF men from close range.
फिल्म शूट फिल्म.
एक शख्स जावेद अहमद साकिना गांव को श्रीनगर जख्मी हुआ और बाद में जख्मों की
The battles raging in Kashmir are part of a continuing war, the war between Mahatma Gandhi's secularism and the two-nation theory of Muhammad Ali Jinnah.
इंग्लैंड में हॉकी वस्तुनिष्ठ होना चाहिए हर काम में. सेकुलर होना चाहिए. सेकुलर का मतलब धर्म निरपेक्ष नहीं होता है. सभी का सम्मान करना चाहिए.
करो, अपना धर्म भी निभाओ.
सभी का।
The soldier in Kashmir representing secular India is locked in a mortal combat with the jihadi from across the border.
भारत के ज़ेर इंतज़ाम रियासत कश्मीर में दारकूमत श्रीनगर में अमेरिकी पसंदों के ग्रेनेड के हमले में एक भारतीय फौजी हलाक और 5 जख्मी हुए हैं। जैश-ए-मोहम्मद ग्रोह ने कहा है कि ये धमाका उन्होंने किया था।
The local population is, in real and symbolic terms, caught in the crossfire of history. A Kashmiri is as much confused about the unending cycles of violence in Kashmir as any ordinary Indian is.
challenge.
Srinagar is a city which to all intents and purposes dies every night at 7 o'clock.
ना ये तो मैं करता रहता हूँ यहाँ पर लोगों को हंसाने के लिए, इसलिए बहुत सारे यहाँ पर फ्रेंडशिप करना मेरे साथ अच्छा समझते हैं।
Trust is the main casualty here. There are people dying on both sides, but I am, as a minority Hindu, more particularly wary of the suspicions I harbor against the local population and about my lack of trust in them. At the back of my mind, I still carry the image of a Firan-clad, innocuous-looking gun-toting Kashmiri, and I am wary of what other fears I carry within me. But in spite of my suspicions and fears, I have to walk with my people here on the road of trust to find my way back to my home. That road leads me to a village 30 kilometers from Srinagar. Fayaz and Tariq are the 2 local press photographers accompanying me.
क्योंकि मेरी ग्रैंडमदर और एक अंकल यहाँ रहते थे, वही सड़क है.
I'm back in the village of my forefathers after almost 20 years. The house where my father grew up and where my mother came to as a bride is still there in the background. The first Pandit I see is the village idiot, abandoned here by his own family.
उसका नाम क्या है?
I'm automatically led to the house of a Pandit family in the village. For a change, rather than me, it is the Pandit family which is scared of my intentions in coming here.
Which now Ajay Raina. Miun Mall Chiti Zamanti Damasmin.
हाँ क्या उस
JN Raina.
जगन्नाथ अशोक जी का वो
अशोक जी के बड़े भाई.
फिर और दूसरी बार हाथ मिलाएंगे. मकान आपका यहाँ है वो
है
3 मंजिला वाला दाम वाले शाह उतर के टांग वाले से लड़े
ना ये खोल बल को
तो ना बका छते मनुष्य कमी मगान खबर बजा बग्या शुरू तो मन पानी काम क्या था
ये मन पानी काम.
आप कैसे रह गए पीछे? आप गए नहीं?
ये भगवान का ही कृष्मा है. कौन ठहरा कौन भागा इसमें क्या बताएंगे हम? बताएंगे क्या? यहाँ से मुसलमान भी चले गए, यहाँ से सिख भी चलने लगे. अब पंतों की बात ही नहीं है.
जो चले गए वो किस वजह से गए? तुम
डर भी गए और क्या?
इमोवन आग जवाब तो शायद तो क्या में क्या द्राय माना
क्या
कि मींस ये जब सब चले गए वो क्या वजह क्या थी उसकी?
उस वक्त सबसे बड़ी वजह ये थी कि फिर चारों तरफ है.
मैं इनसे पूछ रहा हूँ.
यहाँ हमने भी लिया कई इंटरव्यू कई लोगों से यहाँ क्यों पंडित आ गए. हमने कहा भाई जो गवर्नर राज था ना उन्होंने उनको भगा दिया. गवर्नर जगना तो ये अक्सर जो कश्मीर लोग कहते हैं.
उन्होंने कैसे भगाया? उन्होंने क्या?
उनको मालूम है वो कैसे भगाया.
अभी डर लगता है? अभी भी
सबको डर लगता है. इसलिए नहीं ये मुसलमान यहाँ देखते हैं या सुनते हैं ये भी मुसलमान है शायद, सभी ये डरते हैं.
दे क्या क्या तकलीफ चाहिए तो कुनेज़ेन तो उस कम्युनिटी से नहीं थे क्या क्या मुश्किलात चाहिए मतलब से
मुश्किलात खादर सुकन साड़ो. Either we have to convert ourselves into Islam or the Muslims have to convert into Hinduism. You understand? This is the first problem in which Kashmiri Hindus are involving. ना कुदरती जब कम्युनिटी चली गई तो 2-4 घर किसी जगह फंस गए वो क्या
Despite the fear, despite the crowds around us, he managed to convey to me a stark fact about the aftermath of Pandit migrations from Kashmir. The fact that those who have been left behind have started converting to Islam. His confession and the haunted expression on his son's face added to my own insecurity. On my way back from Kashmir, I visited the refugee camp of Kashmiri Pandits at Jammu.
Helkin varia bat makanes. अच्छा नमतो ब्रोंटो से तो पनुपन से बासन
बोलो तो एक दो अमीसा अन्य ब्रोंट मतलब हम तो ब्रोंट से एकदम बहुत पर्वत साइकिल्स पे ये डंतर तुम साइकिल्स पे अच्छा पर्वत कर में टोक मुझे खानी है मतलब यूथ को में टेंशन की ये है पुलिया युवा या कोई मतलब मैं कोई यूथ टेंशन बहुत पर यत्मन गली में थी मैं तुम पर नाना
क्या इस बात क्या जैसे होता खोसा
मतलब टेंशन उसी थी दबाव
वापस है क्या ना जवाब दे
But the Pandits hadn't really believed that they were leaving Kashmir forever.
तो गांधी हिंदुस्तान से दौलत पोई ये ठीक कर सकता है अगर इंसान बचा tipanya kurun पे अच्छी में वापस को सुनछी ससुन छोड़िए गई फिर काहुजी गई वो आप से गया
हां अच्छे वारिया किया वो ना तो अशोक एमआर के पब्लिक स्कूल ऐसे ज्यादा टीचर हक कर लेते ज्योति मिश्रा से मंजू तो नर्सरी से लेकर मैं 8th तक पढ़ा उन्होंने मुझे पाला है मैं इतना लाल था गाल मेरे इतने लाल थे कसम से
These are the only expressions of regret I heard in my entire journey. Shaukat, who travelled with us in Kashmir, opened up with his feelings only when he was safely outside the valley.
कश्मीर जाएगी?
मान सही क्या हैं? निशात नमाज शालमोर नमाज फरवान नमाज पता न दे थावत एक पांच.
In spite of the fault lines which have at the moment pulled the Hindus and Muslims of Kashmir apart, the fact remains that there are very strong spiritual, cultural and historical impulses which still bind us together and to the land of our common inheritance.
Ratnalal Shant Nafsandak, Kamsli Humut, Budarpet campus, Ayachi Batanut camp, Achu Patnikar Kori Khan, Maharaj Maharaj, Ayachi Zano Manu. Mama children body in Portman, I can talk about money in Portman. The man who was a Deja Valley. What good by Jews Valley? Whom you third back and see my image. You heard so much more. So it's a boom, so it's a quad, so it's a yourself.
The reason I'd gone to visit my ancestral village was to meet with Rehman, our family retainer. I only had very vague impressions of him from the time when I used to know him as a child. The things he and his family told me on this visit were an eye-opener to me. I hadn't really known till then that he had been very close to our family.
बोल खोता नहीं बोलवा खबर छा क्या दिल्ला रो
इतके हालत क्या थे
ठीक छे हां हालात ठीक परवाह
कुछ याद बुझ
तुम ज्यादा खोता
अच्छा चोन नेचो
हां
हां ये
यो लागो ना ते
Ivar Laja? Mission King. Pata. It's Zamke mein.
I didn't really feel safe here with the crowd of people around us.
Chai बनने but yes, जरूर.
I promised Rahman that I would be back soon, though then I did not believe in it myself. At the time of leaving, when I asked Rahman if he had any message for my grandmother in Jammu and for my parents, he said, "Tell them, the pine tree they had planted has now grown." Yes, the pine tree has grown. This tree is one of the most positive impulses I carry back to our people from Kashmir. In the barren winterscape of Kashmir, this tree is the only green tree I see. And I remember the trees my parents had planted in our own backyard.
वैसे तो क्या जवाब है तब दोरस
यम मे हमसाय बसान अक दो आई यह कोर सोन ग गिंदान शुरन सत पस नीरन वापस तो अले मेरी खराबी किधर गई अले मेरी खराबी किधर गई मैं जाओ मम्मी से पूछो खराबी को क्या बोलते हैं फिर दे दूंगा ये गई वदा घर अचाई कृष्ण मैं कहते ये क्या गोश है मार कर रहे थे क्या गोश मेरी खराबी किधर गई कोशिश पट कौन चाहते आई मैं कत में याद हुई तो बस ब्रोट में मुसलमान परान बट लगान नौकरी मो तुझ परान मैं लजू तुझ नौकरी उसमें लगो सारी अस नबर कुन थो नजर हेको तथी एडजस्ट वडजस्ट तवे शुर हेचनान इट्स अ फैक्ट.
But there is also another aspect to this fact. As a child, I remember coming here for a swim in the summer months. To a visitor unaware of the real facts, the sight of a Muslim shrine and a Hindu temple standing side by side around the spring here will seem like a perfect example of Kashmiriyat. But as far as early 1980s, I remember that there was only a temple here and a shivling.
सब में ऐसा है क्या हिंदू मुस्लिम टेंशन क्या है?
टेंशन होता है स्टार्ट
सिर्फ ऐसा मंदरस मतलब कि
बात मंदरस मतलब वो ऐसी शन 7 वरियन से बाइकाट तरकी मवाला तिमोजन कामे से वहां अशनान गाज मनो अस्तान पत्तबु के दसे चीहू लड़े डिस्प्यूट पत खोरत में तो जंड
ज़ियारत जनाब हज़रत शेख हमदान.
Kashmiri Pandits were finally forced to flee from the land by the forces of Islamic fundamentalism. The appropriation of Hindu shrines, the violence against the minorities and the call of jihad, the destruction of secular schools and other minority properties were all indicators of a choreographed aggression, not only on the minorities but on the basic temperament of the Kashmiris. The changed face of Islam that I see in Kashmir today is a very recent phenomenon. Islam did not come to Kashmir as an invading force. The people of Kashmir were converted to Islam through gentle preachings of the Sufis, through a gradual process of assimilation into Sufism of the virtues of the Shaivite philosophy of the Rishis of Kashmir, a new and wondrously unique concept which was in tune with the simple grace and character of the Kashmiris came into being. This was called Kashmiriyat.
ये जाए क्या नाम? इस जगह का नाम क्या है? रहने वाली है? एक मिनट यहाँ पर रोको.
I walked towards the temple with the camera in my hand. The door of the temple was slightly ajar. I opened the door and went in. What confronted me was a sight I could never ever have contemplated in my waking life, even though I think of myself as a non-believer. The inner sanctum of the temple looked anything but sacred. It was only filth and ashes there. My filmmaker's instinct deserted me. I could not shoot what I saw inside. I shut the door and came away. I was really and truly mortally scared of being found out, as if it was me who had defiled the temple.
पता नहीं चलता हमको सर किसने जलाया. फोर्स ने ले लिया अपने पास.
अच्छा.
ये मंदिर इसमें कोई नहीं आता है.
What I saw desecrated before my eyes was not only